Section 1. Listening Comprehension. In this section of the test, you will have an opportunity to demonstrate your ability to understand conversations and talks in English. There are 3 parts to this section, with special directions for each part. Answer all the questions on the basis of what is stated or implied by the speakers in this test. Do not take notes or write in your test book at any time. Do not turn the pages until you are told to do so. Part A. Directions. In Part A, you will hear short conversations between 2 people. After each conversation, you will hear a question about the conversation. The conversations and questions will not be repeated. After you hear a question, read the 4 possible answers in your test book and choose the best answer. Then, on your answer sheet, find the number of the question and fill in the space that corresponds to the letter of the answer you have chosen. Here's an example. On the recording you hear,
"I don't like this painting very much."
"Neither do I."
What does the man mean? In your test book you read, A. He doesn't like the painting either. B. He doesn't know how to paint. C. He doesn't have any paintings. D. He doesn't know what to do. You learn from the conversation that neither the man nor the woman likes the painting. The best answer to the question, "What does the man mean?" is A. He doesn't like the painting either. Therefore, the correct choice is A. Now we will begin Part A with the first conversation.
Number 1.
I'm concerned about this big storm that's coming. Do you think we should cancel tomorrow's trip?
It's your call. We all voted for you to be in charge, remember? We trust your judgment.
What does the woman imply that the man should do? Number 2.
We were going to get together sometime this week to play tennis. How about after math class this afternoon? It's such a nice day.
Oh, I promised Jane I'd go swimming with her.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
I'm so tired I can't wait to go home. I've been here in the lab all day working on this experiment for chemistry class.
I know what you mean. So have I.
What does the man imply? Number 4.
Excuse me, does this library have anything on the International Arts Festival coming up this summer, or should I go to the art library for that?
If you'll give me a minute, I think we have a few sources for that kind of information.
What does the woman mean?
That's a very interesting book you have there, Marcia. Do you think you could lend it to me sometime this week?
I'd like to, but someone else has already asked me about it. But if you remind me in a few weeks...
What does the woman imply?
You didn't think the concert would turn out this great, did you?
I sure didn't. I heard this band once before and didn't think they were all that hot.
What does the woman imply? Number 7.
I'm so tired. I spent all last night thinking about the graduation speech I have to give in a couple of days.
Come on, you'll do fine. Just don't stress yourself out. And, try to get some rest.
What does the woman suggest the man do? Number 8.
I hear the new apartment you and Sally got is really nice. When are you two going to invite me over?
As soon as we finish painting the place. Though we still haven't decided on the color.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
Hey, Jane, can you take a look at this copy machine? I can't turn it on.
I'm actually in the middle of something. How about in a couple of minutes?
What does the woman mean? Number 10.
Well, I thought of Robert for the class committee. He's a very responsible person.
Right, but it would be good if you could suggest some other names, too.
What does the man mean? Number 11.
Hi, I hope you can help me. I need the second edition of United States Government for my class on Monday afternoon, but I only see the first edition on the shelf, and I've already checked the other bookstores around here.
Yes, someone else asked about that book earlier. I've called the warehouse, and they're shipping copies to us. We should have them Monday morning.
What does the man imply?
What do you want to do tonight? You up for the movies?
Don't you ever feel like going anywhere new?
What can be inferred about the woman? Number 13.
Did you hear about Carl being nominated for mayor?
Yes, it really floored me.
What was the woman's reaction to the news? Number 14.
This old typewriter has been sitting on the spare desk all semester. It's just gathering dust from what I can see.
Someone should ask the department to get rid of it. We could use the space.
What does the woman mean? Number 15.
I hope you're not doing anything tonight. I'm planning a surprise birthday party for my roommate.
Sounds good to me. I have to work this afternoon, but I'm free after that.
What does the woman imply? Number 16.
Jack,